Okay, so fast questions. Favorite channel for B2B marketing?
HubSpot.
Boom.
LinkedIn.
Great. Bettina, do you want to add one?
Yeah, I would say LinkedIn as well.
All right. What's the hottest trend for PR?
Video.
And social media stories.
You're talking about sort of componentizing, granularizing PR stories into bite-sized pieces.
Yeah. When I say digital marketing, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Social
Email.
media.
Retargeting.
Ooh.
Need stocks across the internet.
Okay, now we're gonna start underrated or overrated. Okay. Virtual trade shows.
Overrated.
Underrated.
I'm indifferent.
Get the email list. Most important thing.
Right, get the emails, and then you're golden.
I'm biased because Greentown did a big one in November 2020, so I'm biased, but yeah, you need the email list for sure.
Okay, overrated or underrated SEO.
Underrated.
Oh gosh, I was gonna say over.
I was gonna say under.
Overrated if you have a small market.
I would say underrated.
Under.
Email campaigns.
Underrated.
Underrated.
Agree.
Okay, last one. Webinars.
Underrated.
Yeah, underrated. That's great.
This is fun when you're with your people, you know? Like this is
Yeah.
marketers here. When it's targeted and you're, it's I think it's underrated.